Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at the news robot EA for MT4 and we'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, the main features, and then discuss how this expert advisor approaches news trading based on the information provided by the developer. So before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So here we are on the MQL5 Marketplace page for News Robot 4.0. This expert advisor is available for MT4 and is developed by Andrei Tatarinov. At the time of this review, the purchase price is 99.99 US dollars with rental options available for 1 month at 39.99 US dollars and 1 year at 69.99 US dollars. The current version shown here is version 4.3, which was updated on October 31st, 2021. Looking through the product description, this EA is designed specifically for news trading. The developer highlights the challenges of manually trading during major economic releases, where price can move dozens of points within the first minute after a news announcement. Now, because of the speed and volatility involved, the goal of this robot is to help automate the execution of a pre-planned news trading strategy. So one of the key features mentioned is support for both pending orders and market orders. All right, for traders who prefer the traditional news trading approach, the EA can place buy stop and sell stop orders, okay, shortly before a scheduled release. Now, according to the developer, these orders can remain active until the news event occurs, and trading can be carried out using either a single order or a grid of orders. Now, the EA also supports a market order approach based on the actual news release data. The idea here is that traders can analyze upcoming economic events in advance, create a trading scenario, and then use the robot to help execute the plan. Now, the developer also mentions the ability to filter specific news. Okay, specific news releases and then review how the market reacted to similar events in the past. Another feature highlighted on the page is trend direction guidance, which may help traders when evaluating potential market conditions around scheduled news events. The developer specifically mentions interest rate decision and unemployment rate releases are some of the more interesting news events to trade using this system. Now, as we move into the testing and analysis section, it's important to remember that any historical testing should be viewed as a tool for evaluation rather than a prediction of future performance. Okay, so when reviewing historical chart activity, I'll be looking closely at how the EA handled periods surrounding major economic announcements, how orders were placed around, release times, and how trade management behaved during volatile market conditions. Okay. Now, based on the information provided, the strategy appears to revolve around predefined news event scenarios, either through pending stop orders positioned before a release or market orders executed after evaluating actual news data. So, since the developer emphasizes advanced planning and scenario preparation, the EA seems designed to automate execution rather than replace the traders analysis process. So we're just going to head over to our strategy tester right now. We can see that I tested the news robot on AUD USD on the H1 time frame, and of course we used the every tick modeling, and the test was run over the past month. Okay, so looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, there was a total net profit of negative $193.1. The total trades taken were 15. The short positions were 9 with 22.22% win rate. The long positions were 6 with a 0% win rate, meaning that the 6 of them were we are losing trades. Now, the largest profit was $60 and the largest loss was $20. The average profit was $33.45 and the average loss was $20. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is actually okay. Based on the average profit and average loss, the risk to reward ratio is quite okay. And then the win rate is very bad. So when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, I think it's not surprising to see a negative total net profit of close to 4%. All right. And let's just quickly look at the EA in action. All right. So I'm just going to turn on the visual mode and we are just going to use the same settings, but I want us to see the EA in action. Okay. So when reviewing any historical testing performance, it's worth remembering that results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. Okay, so from here we can see that the EA actually, enters a trade and set SL and TP immediately. All right, so there are defined stop loss and take profit levels, for the sake of risk management. Okay, so I would also recommend running your own longer term historical testing so you can gain a broader understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments and news cycles. But overall, the News Robot EA is a specialized MT4 expert advisor focused on automating news trading strategies. If news-based trading is something that you are interested in exploring, this EA provides tools for both pending order and market order execution, while allowing traders to build and execute their own planned scenarios around economic releases. Now, as always, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading deployment. So if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.